Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. So I just finished a workout, so excuse me, yeah, so I've just showered. I look a bit tired, but that's because I just worked out. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my after workout smoothie that I use and like the protein powder that I use. So the protein powder that I use is the Teami Blend. Oh, can you guys see that? Yeah, that's the Teami Blend, like Wellness protein. Oh, this protein, it's made with like organic stuff in there, like organic protein obviously, and it's got like chocolate, and it's also 17% plantain like protein. These protein, guys, I'm not a fan of chocolate, but boy do I like these. Like, this protein is so good, guys. It smells so amazing, like it smells so chocolatey, and it just like, oh, it keeps you full after you've had it. Normally once I've had it, I'm like okay, and I don't need to like snack, and I can wait until like it's my next time to like, I guess, eat something. If you guys like these, I will also have like a discount code for you guys in the comment, like in the description, and also I might leave it on the screen for you guys if you guys want to try it. Check the description for that. It's so good, guys. It's absolutely amazing. All right, so this is what you need for the protein. I'm gonna be having some bananas, and then I've also got some like mixed berries. I've got some milk here, and then I've got obviously the protein powder here, and then obviously you need a blender for that. So blended it, it's here. Next thing I do is I grab my glass. Sometimes when I'm so hungry, I just drink it straight from here, but today I'm gonna be good, and I'm gonna pour it in actually a nice cup. But then already, look at that. And I grab my straw. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so good. Like, I'm gonna pretty much have these, and this is pretty much what I have for this is what I have after my workout. And also I use the same protein to also make my breakfast sometimes, so I can also show you, if you guys want to see a video of that, I'll show you guys a video on how I make my breakfast by adding in protein in there. It really tastes so good, guys. And this is like oats with like some fruits in it, super healthy, and you are full and you stay like like full for a while, and it just stops me from like trying to snack every 5 seconds. So I find myself having quite like a lot of smoothies, because especially now that the weather is getting better. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna go sit down and have these and actually relax. And yeah, so at the meantime, I will leave a description in the I will leave like a discount code for you guys in the description. If you guys want to try it out, I definitely recommend it. It tastes amazing, it fills you up. So yeah, definitely. Until then guys, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and let me know if you guys want me to film any other videos for you guys. Until then, thank you, bye.